Hey guys, Lindsay, and in this video just want to talk about this app, Kidsguardspro for Android. This is a monitoring app that you can use to monitor your children activities on their mobile devices as well as tablet. You will need to go to this website, and after going to this website you will need to download the app. You will need to set the app up. On the website will give you all the instruction needed. You will need to disable the Google Play Protect as well, right? So after you have installed this app, you can see it's installed on TCLX. This is the area on the dashboard where we will monitor what is being done on the phone. It also shows us the location of the device as well as the battery level as well, the messages, the location. It will also show us the browser history as well as photos on the phone, videos as well. It will also show us the app activities. So there are a lot of different things in which it will show us. It will show us the location, the Wi-Fi, WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger. So guys, with this monitoring platform, it also shows us that the device is online. It shows us the Android version. It shows us the location, the messages. It also shows us the call logs, messages and contacts, and a lot of different activities from apps. So if you're looking for one of those monitoring apps, you are looking at Kidsguard. And this is for your children to keep up with their activities and also to track their location while going to school. And I recommend this one to you. Do check this one out. And they also have this for iOS as well. Those of you who are on iOS, they also have this for iOS as well for your iPhone or iPad. So guys, I hope that you do check this one out, and this will monitor your kids' activities and to keep you up to date with what they are doing. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful to you in some way in discovering a monitoring app that you can use. I'm Lens. Do like, share, subscribe, and I'm out.